Hello everyone and a special hello to my kiddos. Today Miss Manender is going to write words starting with letter A and we are going to draw a picture with it. Are you ready? Yes, yes, I can do it. So let's begin. The first word that comes to my mind is apple. A A P L apple. So we'll try to draw our apple. The next word can be apricot. Apricot. So say it in your mind a little bit aloud and you will get the sound. Okay, so when we say any letter with the sound or words, apricot. So we'll try. Okay, the next letter, the next word will be aeroplane. 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 So try to get the sound one by one in your mind. So aeroplane and I'm sure you guys have a better drawing than Miss Manender, right? I'm trying my best. I'm learning. Ant. A N ant. Ant. And the next word can be starting with A. A. Angel. 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 And the next word can be axe. Axe. This is my axe. I'm trying. I'm learning. The next word can be ambulance. Ambulance. Right? And here I draw my ambulance with a plus sign and ambulance. So the next word can be alligator. 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 And here is my alligator. I'm trying to alligator. So you can add more words and you can draw with them. Hope you had fun and see you next time. Bye. Take care.